Good morning, good morning. The squirrels are running everywhere this morning. On Sunday, October the 1st, I went out and I gathered all the squash. So I did record it, and that's what this little short video was about. So you can see what squash I've gathered. Hope you enjoy. No need to be delaying this any longer. Let's get those squash out of there. It's 11 squash, so I can't see any more there. Remember, I already picked 2 out of here, so that makes 13 squash in all from this little area right here. And a strange looking marrow type one. That's all from the front fence. I have my gloves for over there among the stinging nettles, but I won't need them on this side. From that patch there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I looked again and found one more, and these 2 yellow straight neck squash. This squash here, I don't think is crossed with any outside plant. So, let's do this to get them out. And I can put save seeds on it to hopefully carry this genetics out. Now I have to get this little one up here. This plant is half decently healthy still, so I'm going to leave that one, see if he'll grow any bigger. Of course, that's just a little tiny thing anyway. And over here, I've seen one. I'm not laying eyes on it now. There it is, right there. So they might grow bigger and might be harvested later, I don't know. The little one that stopped growing in there, that rotted away. These were very late coming out and I have them left there. I don't know what'll become of them, but we're not going to have frost for a couple of weeks. So I'm going to leave them there and let them grow a little bigger. There's 3 of them. I had to wait for the next morning to do this. I have to have my shadow in there because otherwise you'll get the glare from the sun. So that one, I had to wait till I cut it open to see what it is. There's 27 squash there. Those two, your guess is as good as mine what the cross that is. Then to come back, we've got 9 Queensland blue there. The green ones are just immature ones. And then back here, 8 squash that I'm assuming is some kind of butternut. And these, I was looking on my records, and the one that I called Neon Pumpkin looked something like that last year, and it ripened up to a typical pumpkin orange when I had it in the house for a while. I'm going to bring them in now and weigh them all, and then I can put the final weight up on the screen. And as I come out now, the squash vines, they're all quickly fading away now. Even the ones that had healthy leaves, you see. So the few that I left, the plants are still fairly green. I don't know how much that will add to that 209 pounds. Will I go over 220 pounds? I don't know. But so far, yeah, that's what I've gathered with respect to winter squash. It's 209 pounds. So that'll give me plenty to experiment with some recipes over the winter. Hope you found it interesting. I guess the next video will be the harvest of beans, but it's raining right now, so I have to wait for a dry day. See you in the next video.